Alright, today we're just going to be doing a nice little winter scene that'll hopefully bring the warmth out of you. So we're just going to start by putting some red right up in the sky right here. Now we're just going to grab a little cadmium yellow, load it up on a brush, and just go right around that sun. Now let's just grab some yellow ochre, and we're going to put it right around that yellow ring that we have around the sun. Now we're just going to add some little water into the bottom. So we're just going to grab that cadmium yellow, and we're going to put it right down here. Let's grab some bright red, throw it up right there. Now let's grab some phthalo blue and Van Dyke brown, throw it up right here to make some nice little dark areas for our sky. Now we're just going to grab some phthalo blue and alizarin crimson and mix it up to get a nice lavender color. Now let's just slap it on and make those mountains. Now, let's just grab some titanium white, and we're going to slap it on these mountains for the snow. Let's add some shadows onto this mountain. Just going like that. We're just going to grab the 2-inch brush and just go straight down with it. Now, let's turn these happy little guys into some reflections. So you're just going to grab it and pull down. Now, let's make a happy little waterline by just grabbing our knife with some liquid white and going right across. Now, let's drop in a tree with some of that mountain color. Just go straight on down and side to side. Maybe another one will come in. Alright, now let's just put some bushes and trees in here. Alright, now let's add some little highlights onto these trees by just grabbing some of that mountain color that we used for the highlights and going straight down. Now let's put some snowy little bushes into here by just grabbing our circle brush and lightly tapping them in. Now this is looking like a finished painting. From all of us here, I say happy painting and God bless.